In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the error on your keyboard, guys. If you can't type on your keyboard, the keys are mixed up, or you just can't use your keyboard properly in your daily routine, I'll help you out. I'm going to show you step by step, in a really simple way, how to fix this keyboard error with just one setting. But before we get started, make sure to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell, share it with your friends, and don't forget to leave a like, that really helps a lot. Without further ado, let me show you how it's done. Just a reminder, this procedure works for Windows 7, Windows 8, 10, and 11. It's pretty much the same for all of them. You're going to click on the Start menu, then look for Ease of Access, and here it will show up as Ease of Access Settings, so you'll click on that. By clicking on this option, guys, you're going to look for the Interaction section. I'm doing this on Windows 10. You'll click on Keyboard and then go into this option right here. It's called Use Filter Keys. You need to disable this option. If this option is checked, just disable it and your keyboard should start working normally again. Go back to the home screen, and if this procedure doesn't work, try updating your keyboard driver. Go to Device Manager, write Device Manager. It will open up this screen for you. In Device Manager, go to the Keyboard section, and here you'll see the option for Keyboard Devices. Right-click and select the Update Driver option. You can search automatically, right? Or if you have a keyboard driver on your computer to update, you can update it here. Another option here, guys, is to change the language. Maybe your keyboard is set to a different language. You need to change your keyboard's language here. Click on Language, and it will show you Edit Keyboard Language options, and you should always set it to Brazil here, Portuguese. Check to make sure these are the settings you have. And by doing this, your keyboard will go back to normal and you won't have any more typing errors. So that's it, guys. That's what I wanted to show you. If you're not subscribed to the channel, subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and leave your like because it really helps the channel. Thanks, see you next time, I'm out.